everyone, today I wanted to share with you guys a word called attunement. Attunement is something that we develop when we are in a relationship with someone, whether that is our spouse or our significant other or our children or infants and their main caregivers. And even for me as a therapist, I become attuned to my clients as well. So what does this mean, this word attunement? It means that we become connected in a way that we are able to pick up nonverbal cues. We're able to sense if something is going on with our that significant other or that person that we are attuned to. As a child, an infant, you as the main caregiver would be able to pick up this energy of your spending that much time with your significant other. You will become attuned to them and they will become attuned to you, which means that they will be able to sense if something is off, if you're just not feeling like yourself, or there's a need, an unspoken need. So how will this help? Well, as I just mentioned, as a child, an infant that might not be able to communicate, or maybe they're not able to express their emotions yet, being attuned to them, you will be able to help provide that need or help them speak and learn how to express their emotions. As infants, you'll be able to help provide the need that they need that they're not able to communicate. And then for an infant, they will pick up on your anxieties, your fears, or your joy, all with our nonverbal cues. During our romantic relationships, and so as a mother or a main caregiver, you become attuned to your child, to your infant, and it's as little as an infant, a newborn baby. You become attuned to them and they become attuned to you. What does that mean? That if they, even without being able to speak words, they can sense whether you're anxious, mad, happy. They pick up on our nonverbal cues. And so the same, it goes vice versa. The mother also can pick up, even if the child is not able to communicate their needs, the main caregiver is able to pick up on those cues and in order to provide that need. This also means that as in a relationship, a romantic relationship, you are also able to pick up, spending that much time with that. And during our relationships, this attunement allows us to take note and pick up on those cues when there's something off with our partner. And what should we do once we notice that? It's bring it out to light, have the other person know that you are aware that there's something off between either or with that person, right? And that will be able to bring it up into conversation where you don't have to assume that that person might have an issue with you, but they might have an issue of their own that they're not communicating. And by you sensing that and bringing it out to light and asking if you have any thing to do with that, or if you can help them, that will create this different form of communication between you guys. So remember, attunement is a sense that a connectedness that we get once we spend time with another human being, and it allows us to pick up on these nonverbal cues so that we are able to bring this up to light and begin a conversation about it, and so that we are able to provide the infant with their needs, and also for us to be able to regulate our emotions so that we don't transfer these anxieties or negative emotions onto our children as well. So attunement is helpful for all your relationships, starting as infant until adulthood.